Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you different file managers in Arch Linux. First of all, I will show you the graphical version Dolphin. It will look like this. I personally don't use it, but for those of you who like graphical, I will show it. To install it, you type sudo pacman -s and then dolphin and press enter. And here you can select one or two. For me, I personally use two. I would prefer two, so I press this. And then to proceed with the installation, just press enter again. I'm not going to do this because as you see, it has very many dependencies and it's very big. So I don't want to install it. I am just showing you how. And after you press enter and proceed with the installation, open your application launcher, type dolphin and launch it. It is pretty straightforward to use. It will look graphical. Everyone knows how to use it. Now I prefer Ranger. This is a file manager from the terminal and it is very lightweight. To install it, type sudo pacman -s and then Ranger. Maybe you have to type your sudo password and press enter to proceed the installation. I already have it, so I'm not going to proceed the installation. After the installation is complete, you type Ranger to launch. You can type Ranger to launch it, or what I'm going to do is first change directory to directory that I created for the video, and now you can type Ranger and it will open the file manager in the current directory. So I'm in home video test. This is for the video folder I created. Press enter and you will see here is a file that I already created earlier. To make a new file, you type colon and then touch, and you will see it down here in the corner, and then you can type command. So touch and then hello1.txt and you create a new file. To move between files, you can either use the arrow keys or you can use left and right. Left and right is to move out of the folder and inside the folder. So if I press now left, it will go a directory before that. If I go right, it will go in the directory that I'm currently on. Now if I go down and then right again, it will open the file. And this is Vim, so I will close it. To close Ranger, you can press Q and it will close Ranger. If you are in a directory, for example, you go Ranger and with the function key F7 on your keyboard, you can, here it already creates a directory. Let's call it test. And this will create a directory, it's blue. And if you press right arrow, you go into that directory. Now let's say you want to jump into there in the terminal, not in Ranger. You press Shift and then S, and you will be in the directory you're currently in. You currently where? Again, Ranger, and you see we're still in this directory. And you can also use your mouse wheel to scroll if you want. To delete a file, you press small d character, D, and then again the big D, so Shift D, small d and then big D to delete a file or a folder. Then you will see you have to press small d, big D, and then enter. And if there's something in the directory, it will ask you, are you sure you want to delete? Then you press Y on your keyboard and it will delete. For files, it won't ask. You press D and then big D, press enter, and the file is gone. Now, what if you want to copy? You press Y on your keyboard and then you have a few options. To copy, you press Y. So YY is to copy. And then let's say we make another directory with F7, test, enter, go into that directory. And to paste the file, you press P and again P. And then you pasted it. But let's say you want to cut the file. So it will be removed after you pasted it. You press D and small d. So D and small d, this will cut the file. So if you go here and paste it, it is gone. It is gone here because we cut it, and it will be here. I will put a link in the description to the Ranger cheat sheet. There you will see a few basic features of Ranger in a small form factor. If you want to check it out, I will put the link in the description. If you have any questions, you can ask them in the comments, and if you need help with anything else, also ask in the comments. I will try to make a video on that topic. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe.